Okay, I've had this old keyboard for a really long time. It's good, but still. I got my new keyboard! Okay, I feel like I've been waiting for this for so long, and I'm so excited. It's only been like 2 days, but I'm still very, I didn't need scissors, okay. Come on, get out of there. Okay. This is not the color I ordered. Please be the color I ordered. I really hope it's not black like on this because I ordered pink. 3, 2, 1. It came with new keys too. Real moment of truth. Alright, I want to make the customization. This is so cool. Low-key sad. None of these, like, all these work, but these white ones don't. Let me show you. So I took out this. If I put in this, of course it works on camera.